Now as you can see, here is Minecraft installed on my PC. Now there's no such thing as free Minecraft. The closest you can get to that is the trial version. Anything else is probably a virus. Now go down in the description and click the link to my website. Now once on my website, hey there, don't forget to smash the like, subscribe and bell button, and come join my Discord down in the description if you happen to face a problem. Right, I need you guys to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on the link to the official Minecraft site. Don't forget to drop your favorite version of Minecraft down in the comment section. Now once on the official Minecraft site, I need you guys to go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you find support. Now once you found support, just look down, you're going to see download here. Just go ahead and click on that. Now once you just go ahead and click download launcher and wait for it to finish downloading at the top right hand side. Now just go ahead and double click on the launcher that just finished downloading, and here is the most important part of this video, so you need to pay attention. Now you need to go ahead and click here to log into the Microsoft Store. Now here is the most important fact here. Log in with the account that you wish to purchase Minecraft with, or you've already purchased Minecraft with. Now another crucial thing is to make sure that you've installed Xbox from your Microsoft Store on your PC. If you don't have this, it would cause a lot of problems. Don't forget to drop your favorite version of Minecraft down in the comment section. Now we can get back to our screen, accept your terms, and then we just go ahead and click on install. Now if you're not logged in automatically, just go ahead and click on the Microsoft login and wait for the Xbox page to load up. Now just go ahead and click on the Java edition at the left hand side, and for those who want to play Minecraft for free, just go ahead and click on play here, and if you want to buy Minecraft, just go ahead and click on buy now. Now as you can see, here is Minecraft installed on my PC and I'm having so much fun. Now if you guys want to have Optifine or you want to have any shaders on your PC, just go ahead and drop that in the comment section, and do not forget to tell me your favorite version of Minecraft in the comment section below.